on, everyone? Ben here, Magnuson Performance, and we just got to Hollyoaks, Michigan. Jake is sleeping. We're gonna have some fun today. Tomorrow we'll be at Maximus-3 getting some stuff done to my Jeep.
Hey guys, it's great to be out here. We got the whole squad out here. Let's do Detroit SnowFest. How's that gonna be?
I'm all about it, man. I can't wait for it, man. We're gonna have a ton of fun out here. Everyone out here having a blast with the campfires, the vendors, off-roading in the snow. It's gonna be a ton of fun, Tom.
Detroit SnowFest 2023, first annual. Make sure you get on out here. It's gonna be a blast. Our friends from Magnuson are gonna be out here. We're gonna get Ben to do sketchy things while we're out there.
Don't tell Matt.
What are we doing today, Benny?
Yo, we are here at Maximus-3. I'm super excited because we're going to be installing a new roof rack on my Jeep. A couple other fun things for Maximus-3, so stay tuned for the install of this awesome gear. All right, guys, so we are inside the shop now here at Maximus-3. I'm impressed with how awesome this place is set up. They got some really cool decor. I'm really excited right now for the install of this roof rack and the bed system. We'll get a little bit more into that here in a second, but in the meantime, check this place out. Is this the part where you drill into my roof?
Shortly.
I'm slightly nervous. I'm very excited, but I am nervous. Jake, I'm kind of impressed the amount of mud that is in between the roof here. I've obviously sent it quite a few times. I'm proud of this. Once this is on, the roof is never coming off, right?
No, you can still pull the roof off. You just got extra bolts you gotta take off. You'll pull the whole roof off with the roof rack.
I'm very interested to see how this goes on.
It literally just sits right on top of the roll cage. So you literally just pull the bolts up from underneath.
Yeah.
And you just pick the whole roof off.
So Brennan is over there getting the drill bits ready, and we're about to drill the holes through the roof to install the rack. I think it's gonna look pretty cool.
We got all the holes marked. Now we're just gonna go through with the pilot first, and then we'll go up to the 3/8 drill bit.
My heart's beating just a little bit. We're about to drill through the roof, but it's so worth it. There's no going back. The suspense, the suspense is killing me. That's it, folks. He did it. He put a hole through the roof. There's no going back. Only 7 more holes to go. All right, so while Brendan's finishing up with that, we're actually in the back of the bed here, about to install their JT cargo deck system. This is gonna allow me to put Roam boxes, Pelican boxes, coolers, things like that, strapped down to the top, my spare tires, fuel cans for overlanding, whatever the case may be, and still be able to use the interior of my bed space while utilizing the top as extra storage. All right, guys, so Joe's in the back right now actually cutting the headliner for us to be able to bolt inside. Once that's done, me and Brendan are gonna go grab that roof rack, throw it on top, bolt it in, we'll be good to go. All right, guys, we just got done installing Maximus-3 JT roof rack. Super excited how it looks. I think it adds a lot of value to the vehicle, and it's gonna be able to allow us to carry a lot more stuff with us when we go on the trip, so on and so forth. This is one of my favorite things that we did today for Maximus-3. It's their cargo deck system. This allows us to throw things on top. I can stand on top of this. We can have all types of overlanding gear. I can put my tent on there, and we still have the ability to use the bed. And we're already using it on the way home today. We got stuff strapped down to it. All right, guys, that wraps it up for this install today. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely more Maximus-3 stuff in the future, but for now, let's go put this stuff to the test.
Hey guys, thanks for watching another cool video. You can click up here to check out our latest video, or click over here for our link tree. It's got our website and all our other social media, so you can follow us there. And you gotta click over here to subscribe so you can see all the cool shit we're up to.